Okay, so this one is a flat bench press. So meron tayong dalawang variation. So unang variation will be the barbell bench press. Okay? So proceed tayo. Okay, so paghiga sa bench, make sure na naka-chest out kayo. Okay? So go, higa tayo. Chest out. So start tayo sa shoulder width and then grab the bar and then make sure natin na equal yung placement ng hands natin sa bar. Go up. And then, point natin yung barbell dun sa ating mid-chest. Okay? And then slow down. And then explosive pataas. Okay. And then make sure lang natin na i-control natin yung movement. Okay? So slow down. And then explosive up. Second variation will be the dumbbell flat bench press. Okay? So first, place niyo muna yung dumbbell sa tuhod nyo. And then kick. Okay, go kick. And then go higa. Chest out. And then ang dumbbell is i-place natin sa mid-chest natin. Okay, once na set na, go up. Yan. And then slow down. Slow down.